Every parent dreams of seeing their child succeeded in competitive examinations like IIT, NEET, and other Olympiads. But this success starts early, right from school age, with strong fundamentals and basics. So at Apex Institute, we are providing strong fundamentals and basics to school-going children with our best IIT, NEET, and Olympiad Foundation programs. Hello, friends. This is Srinivas from Apex Institute. In this session, we are going to discuss about one of the best IIT NEET Foundation programs provided by Apex, that is Aspirants program. So first, let us see how this Aspirant program is designed, on which subjects it is given, and how the content is given in the program. And next, let us see how Apex team is going to be in coordination with you as teachers and academic admins in the schools. How we are going to support you in the implementation of this program. So let us see these aspects in this. First, let us go through this Aspirants program, one of the best IIT NEET Foundation programs provided to school children. This Aspirant program is designed for high school children, as we told, that is right from 6th grade to 10th grade children. So this program covers main subjects for their mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology. On these 4 subjects, foundation program is given in these aspirants. This aspirant program is given in multicolor now. Yes, earlier we used to give in single color, as one of a few of our friends already know that it is given in multicolor now to make it attractive and draw the concentration of the students toward their books. We have made it into multicolor with nice designs and diagrams. Aspirant program is an integrated foundation program. This Aspirant program is matched, aligned with borderline program, and it is integrated with all the syllabi available for in the nation, like state board syllabus, CBSE, ICSE, etc. So from these all, the content is gathered under these foundation books are designed. So it is made a nationwide syllabus. And here in this Aspirant program, from each subject, every chapter is started with the introduction of a scientist who has contribution in the particular chapter and concept. So this creates some interest and enthusiasm among the students to be attractive towards the book. And not only that, down to that we have given a concept map which gives a complete glance about the chapter which they are going to learn further. So this gives a picture and idea about the topic. This creates some interest about towards the subject among the students. So in this way, every chapter is given with the starting of a scientist related to the chapter and a concept map in the first page. And then each chapter is divided concept wise. So this division makes as your work as a teacher easy in the classroom. So no need of preparing and scaling that, what to be taught for a particular day. It is already pre-designed here. So here a concept represents the part of the chapter which can be completed by you as a teacher comfortably in one period. That is, if the period time is around 35 to 40 minutes. What is the part of the chapter which we can complete comfortably within 30 minutes? It is taken and divided as one concept. So it is device divided program. Need not to do any work there again for division and planning this. So daily one concept you can teach comfortably in the classroom. And after completion of your teaching a particular concept in the classroom, immediately students, they can check their understanding levels. For that, we have given a small test which we call as self-assessment test, SAT. After every concept, there is a SAT where student can check their understanding levels, what they have understood in the classroom with your teaching. So these questions are designed such a way which can be done by the students in their own if they listen to in the classroom. So in that way, the practice sheet are questions which can be completed within 2 to 5 minutes. In such way, these SAT practice sheets are designed. So your teaching will be completed. On the same day, students will check immediately the concepts what they understood in the class with this SAT. And after completion of the complete chapter, after completion of all the concepts, before going to do the main practice sheet, we have given a page with the name CDF, which includes concepts, definitions, and the formulae which you have completed from the chapter, which you have taught from the chapter to the students. These all are given in a page with one glance. This works like a warm up to the students before going to do the practice sheet. Dear teachers, let us suggest the students to read this page, to start learn this page compulsory before going to do the practice sheet, because we have given all the formulae, definitions and concepts which are necessary for completing the practice sheet. So students, they have to read this page compulsory before going to do the main practice sheet. In the main practice sheet of every chapter, we have given 3 levels of questions with the different models of questions. The models in the sense, the types of questions which they are going to face in future competitive examinations. All models of questions are taken here, and we have designed in such a way the main practice sheet. The two, importantly, from their chapter at their standards. So you can see here single correct answer type questions, multi correct answer type questions, statement type, assessment region, integer type. These are matrix matching type, comparison patches. These are all models whichever they are going to face in future competitive exams like IIT mains, advanced, NEET examination, Olympiads, whatever. In these all examination, different models of questions are asked, as you know. These all models are taken and pulled in the main practice sheet at different levels from the concepts what they have learned and at their standards. After completion of the main practice sheet, at the end of the chapter, we have given some puzzles and project ideas to create some interest among the students towards their subject. It is need not to be taught by you. Students, they will do in their own. So in such a way they are designed. That too, from the concepts what you have taught in the classroom. Based upon the same chapter, these puzzles are also given. They have learned, listened to you in the classroom, they can do these puzzles also in their own. Need not to guide them. If they didn't get any, then you can suggest them with the clues. Now, let us see the important and selling features of this Aspirants program. Not only that, how this is being supportive to the teachers as well as academic admins in the school. How the coordination is going to be between us, the school team and the Apex team. Let us see here now. If you observe the books given to you or students, no key or solution is given in the booklet. Because if the key or solutions are seen in the booklet, as a teacher you may know, student, they may not listen to you in the classroom carefully. They won't show interest in listening to you as already key is available. That's why we did not give any key or solution in the booklet. We are going to provide these complete key and solutions printed copy as a teacher's handbook. We are going to provide complete key and solutions printed copy, which contains key to every bit. All the bits which are given in the main book, they will be having complete key in these booklets. Not only the key, wherever it is necessary, complete solutions are also provided in that. Say, for some bits, we have given direct key. So those questions might be direct or simple questions. So for them, we have given key. They may not need any solution there. Direct answers might be there. For such kind of questions, we have given only key, and wherever it is necessary, we have given the solution also for all the subjects. Mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology. For all the subjects, we have given the complete key and solutions. Already it is ready. This is going to be dispatched to your schools very soon. And not only the complete key and solutions, we are going to provide you pre-planned examination schedule for the complete academic year. Yes. So being a teacher or academic administrative person there, need not to prepare any key and solutions in the school. Need not to prepare any examination schedules by you. We have done it already. So examination schedule in the sense how many examinations we are going to conduct for the academic year, for the total academic year, when they are going to be, on which syllabus they are going to be. These all are pre-planned already. We are going to provide these examination schedules to you. So these schedules also we are trying to provide this academic year in three variants. One, to be displayed in the classroom in a particular class-wise examination schedule. Next one, for the concerned subject teacher. For all the classes, schedules are given in one chart, particular subject. And one more, for the academic admins, overall chart which is containing all classes, all examination syllabus. So in this way, we are going to provide examination schedules in the pre-planned manner. So with the tentative dates already these are prepared, we are going to provide you these all. If you observe here, there are some examinations here which we call as concept-wise chapter-based examinations. In the first term, we are going to have 3 chapter-based examinations, and at the end of the first term, this the red color you can observe here. So this we call as cumulative examination, that we call term-ending examination, which includes the syllabus of the first term which we have completed. In the same way, in the second term again, there are 3 chapter-based examinations, and at the end of the second term again, there is one more cumulative examination or revision examination. As you know, the third term we will be having a short span than the remaining 2. So only 2 chapter-based examinations are there, and after completion of those, we are going to have a grand test, which contains the total syllabus of the academic year. So in this way, we are going to give pre-planned examination schedules. We can summarize this here. We are going to conduct chapter-based examinations, term-ending cumulative examinations, and at the end of the academic year, grand tests. For these all examinations, we are going to provide you printed question papers and OMR sheets as per the schedule. Yes, need not to prepare any question papers at your end. We are doing that work here. We do prepare complete pre-planned question papers, and along with the OMR sheets, we are going to send to school time to time. As a teacher, our main job is going to be preparing these books thoroughly. Yes, from Apex team, we request you be prepared before going to the classroom. Even though as a teacher we may have plenty of experience in our subject, but what it is given for a particular day in our aspirants book, you may not know. So for that purpose, we request you be prepared in prior, go to class with the preparation, give quality teaching. These two cannot be done with any other. Only teacher can do these two. Remaining all works at our end, we are trying to support you there with complete key end solutions, pre-planned examination schedules, as per the schedules, printed question papers and OMR sheets. These all we are providing from our side. So question papers will come to your school time to time as per the schedule. Soon after completion of examination, we request the academic admins in the school to send back these one-shot OMR sheets to our office. So how to send them, our address, and these all details will be shared you with very soon after coming to schools, after coming to track. So after completion of a particular examination, keep the OMR sheets in a cover, send them through any possible courier to you, available courier to you. So after receiving these answered OMR sheets, we do scan them. We have scanners here, there is a separate team for the examination cell. So they do scan these OMR sheets and they analyze the complete results. So these results will be sent to school mail ID within 48 hours after receiving OMR sheets from our end. These results includes student name, ID number, test details, and the subject-wise marks, total marks, class rank, national rank, position of the student. These all details are going to be in that analysis report, results report. So as an academic admin in the school, our responsibility is to take these results print out and we have to display in the classroom within 2-3 days after completion of examination. This creates some interest among the students, some enthusiasm, curiosity towards these results. So what marks I have secured, what is my rank, what is their position. This comparison will stop there. This creates some sportive spirit among the students. This should be happen in this IIT Foundation program especially. So we request you to take printouts of the results soon after receiving from through mail from us, take a printout and display them in the classroom. Ask the students to check their results. So if they complain you about any results there, you please communicate us regarding the same with their ID number and name. We are going to cross check those. What problems are there? We are going to communicate with you. Let us sort out those. After getting clarity on the results, with school permission, we are going to send an SMS to every parent also from our end with the school name. Yeah, this creates some communication. This gives some communication to parents after every examination. So parents also will come to know. So as a teacher, we have to know that parents are also going to observe us after every examination. So if we show some progress in the career of student, parents will observe. When parents observe, school grows. This is a very important point to know. So when there is some progress in the marks or ranks of these students, parents will observe very keen that. When parents observe keen, automatically schools progress there. So we are going to send an SMS to every parent after examination with the school name. This happens only with the permission of school. So when school admins, if they check the results, when they say everything is okay, then only an SMS will be sent to parents. And we are giving an access to mobile app to all the students who are taking this IIT-JEE Foundation program. Not only for the students, for the teachers and admins also, we are giving access into our mobile app, where students can watch video sessions regarding this program. Whatever the topics taught by teachers in the classroom, related to that, concept-wide videos are available in the mobile app. After completion of your teaching in the classroom, after going home, students they can watch these videos from the mobile app. And for teachers, we are giving specially access there, where they can find the complete key and solutions of this aspirant program, which cannot be seen by the students. Only for teachers, we are giving special access, where teachers can find complete key and solutions subject-wise and chapter-wise, and examination schedules, model question papers, model results. These all are available in the teachers column. Teachers can go through this all. Need not to carry those key and solutions booklets given you. Need not to carry them with you always. Just if there is mobile with you, just by keeping the book with you, you can check the key and solutions, you can cross check there. These are all facilities to the teachers just to save your time. You can focus completely on preparing and teaching in the class with the quality delivery. So for this purpose, remaining all works are being supported by us. Not only this, often we are going to conduct some online examinations also through mobile app. So it will be intimated you in prior. You can communicate the same to students. They can attempt these online examinations through mobile app. So this will help to make thorough for offline examinations which we are conducting as per the schedule. And very important thing, we are going to create a WhatsApp group dedicated to our school personally. We are almost we have created already. We add the school admins like academicians, principals, correspondents, and we make them admins. They will be the admins in this group. And we request them to add all the teachers into this group. And from our end, all the R&D team also will be there in the group. Apex R&D team will be there. So from day one onwards, teachers can be in direct contact with the Apex R&D team. R&D team in the sense, the content resource persons who prepared these books. So from day one onwards, you can be in direct contact with the resource persons. So whenever and wherever you get a doubt in implementation of this program, if you have any doubt in the book, immediately you can share and communicate us immediately the same. So you are going to get response for that from our end. For example, already you have given complete key and solutions as I told. Still, if you feel for any question some solution is missing, you can take a snap of that particular question through with your phone. You can share in the WhatsApp group. You can share your opinion there or communication, whatever you want to share. Sorry, we did not give solution for this, or you have given it should be C. You have given B there, it should be C. Whatever opinion, you can share immediately there. So our team, they're going to recheck that question once again. Sorry. They're going to recheck once again that question. They do once again the solution for that. They will share the accurate answer for that. By this, your work is going to be reduced there. You can focus on teaching in the classroom. You can focus on preparing the remaining instead of wasting time here. So there is a immediate communication support from the R&D team when you communicate us through the WhatsApp group. So I request school admins to check the WhatsApp group created on our school name with Apex. Check whether all the teachers are added into this group or not. If not, add the teachers immediately. So from Apex team, all the communications are going to be shared through that WhatsApp group only, because all the teachers, as we know, they will be engaged with the classes, they will be busy with the regular works. We cannot disturb them in the school hours. That's why whatever the information we want to pass to the students or teachers or students or admins, we share all the things in the WhatsApp group only. So please be active in the WhatsApp group. Check once our school Apex group daily at least once, so that there might be some very important information which needs by you for implementation of the program in the school. And we are going to share with you for the school admins our contact details here. For our front office, if there is any general inquiry regarding the Apex programs, you can call on the front office number, and our R&D team number. If you have any queries regarding the subjects, you may call on that number. If you are preparing at the out of school hours, you can WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is the main communication channel for us. And exam cell number. This helps. This number you can use for communication regarding results. After getting the results, if we have any doubts on the results and marks, if any complaints are there from the students or parents side, we can communicate to that number with the student details and ID number and test details. They are going to recheck once again these all. If needed, if there is some complication in the results, if you share the details of that student ID as well as test details, they will check once again and will share you the scanned image of that OMR sheet also. You too can cross check there by keeping a student or parent with you. You can inform them clearly what is exact problem occurred there, what bubbling problem or ID number writing problem, whatever it is there, you can communicate them, you can show them clearly. So we can maintain the complete transparency till the parent, not only the student, till the parent also. But this all can be done when you communicate us properly time to time. We can support you there. And regarding dispatch for the admin cities, if we need any extra books or if you have any extra books in the school, regarding these all, you can communicate with the dispatch team. They will support you immediately. So dear academic partners, let us transform these classrooms into academic excellence with coordination and support. Thank you.